Shalomchen friends!
Shalomchen.
We are back. We have a German channel too, so it's very difficult to make for both channels videos, but we are trying now to make more videos for you on this channel. And today we want to show you how you make a lot of e-bikes faster.
Yeah, almost every e-bike you can
Very
make faster with this.
It's very easy, so we can show you this. And if you don't have a bike like this, we put some in the description below, so you can buy some and we get a little bit of promotion affiliate. So we show you the simple trick for this e-bike on a lot of e-bikes too.
Yeah, it's very easy. First, put on your e-bike.
E-bike.
Just wait a little bit. Now press the plus and minus button.
The minus.
And wait. Now we have settings here. You see P1 and we can change this.
With the plus button.
Yeah, with the plus button we can change it. And now we have to search for the speed or the wheel size. So in this case we can make the e-bike faster with the speed. I can show you 50 kilometers per hour, but it don't work. The e-bike stops at 25 kilometers per hour, but we can we can ignore this.
And
I'll show you.
It's a bug. You can see it, but a lot of e-bikes have this bug. This is a wheel size diameter in inches, and if you put it down, the wheel is spinning.
The e-bike thinks you are driving slower than you really drive, and the e-bike tries to reach 25 kilometers per hour. In our case, in Germany, but
the lower wheel size diameter, and in this case, the wheel is, or the engine is driving faster.
A lot of faster. In this case, we can reach around 40 kilometers per hour easily. The original wheel size in this case is 26 inch, and we put it down to 15
inch.
No, it's original.
Okay, original.
And we put it down to 15, so the e-bike thinks we have smaller size, so the size have to spin faster to reach 25 kilometers per hour, and so we can make this e-bike easily faster. And there's another method, but in this case this don't work, but we can show you on this e-bike how the other method works.
This is a Hemi way, and you can put this bug too in this case, but in this case you have to need a password to unlock the settings.
And by the Hemi way e-bikes you can you can just increase the kilometers per hour number from 25 to maybe 40.
400.
And 40 it's no problem for the e-bike, but you have to type in a password. So we do the same thing here on this e-bike, plus and minus. Just wait.
Minus an I.
Yeah, and then you have to put a password here. The password is, we press I. This is the password for Hemiway and for the most other e-bikes and electric scooters.
So in this one is a monk-wheel without a seat.
In this case we don't need a password, so just press
3 buttons, and
if you press 2 buttons, I can show you, then you can change a lot of things, but no speed. You see?
This is another menu.
Yeah, this is a normal menu. You can don't change anything special. And if you want to change anything special, you have to press 3 buttons at the same time. You have to press this 3 buttons at the same time. And now watch at the display.
Geschwindigkeit.
Yeah, it's German here, but Geschwindigkeit means speed. And now you can press this button and you can easily change the speed. And I can show you, it's very, 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 very easy. If you're ready, just press this button again and then these 3 buttons again. Or you can just press this button. And now I can show you how fast this e-bike drives.
That's crazy.
And I can easily...
It's only power level 3. And if you go to power level 5, you reach like 50, 55.
Yeah, and it was easy to spin.
So if you want to buy some bikes of this, we put this in the description below. So you have a bike that is normally faster than 50.
Yeah, this is okay for the low price, but I would take this one because this is very cheap for a very big battery size and a very big and nice bike.
Oh.
You have 84 volts and 20. Yeah, 20.
Maybe we show you this bike in another video, if you say so. And I think with these words we are ready for this video. But a little disclaimer: it's not legal to drive on the street. So be careful if you
don't
drive faster than 25 in most of the countries in the world.
I don't know how it is in America, but if you do this
500.
here, you have problems.
Yeah, we have very problems. So yeah, put some comments down below if we should make some more videos. So we can.
And please write a comment: which e-bike do you have, and how do you make your e-bike faster if you have an e-bike? Yeah.
Sorry for our English, but we're working it.
Yeah.
Working on it.
The last English video is 1 year ago, almost. And private we are speaking German, so we don't speak
Oder
English
Italiano.
like a year. Okay, that's enough for this video.
Ich gehe mir jetzt einen Döner holen.
Viel Spaß, tschüss.